So we've got Audi A4 2006 2-litre TDI with a oil pressure light and brakes not working. Brakes went hard, customers complaining, brake was hard. We checked the vacuum pump, it was all fine, and the culprit was the oil pump drive key. So we opened it up. It's quite a common fault on this. So first thing I did was take this anti-roll bar down, just these two bolts. This comes down like this. Then take the main subframe bolts off, one main bolt here, and then you have that mounting there, that fits there. Take the bolts off for the mounting. Same thing on this side, take the bolts off for the mounting. I've taken the AC pipe off, so it's kind of blocking the way, so I'm just putting it out. There's no gas in there anyway, but just watch out when you're taking it off if there's gas in there. It's best thing to get the gas released. I've taken the mounting off for the gearbox as well, just to give me more space to open these bolts here, these back ones. I used a normal Allen key to open that. So we've took the sump off, after sump, and I took the oil pump off full with the balance shaft. You can see, put it on the bench just to check what was going on with it. Taking the body off, just be careful with these shims here, you don't lose them or you don't misplace them in the wrong place. Once that's off, we can take, so the pump goes here, there's two bolts there, 1 and 2, take them 2 bolts off. This should pull out with the balance shaft because they'll be connected by this drive key. So as soon as we've pulled it out, we've seen what the issue was. Pull the drive key out and you can see that it's fully worn out. Just to check the balance shaft, I can just turn it around. This part is okay, so that's fine. Just check the oil pump as well. Oil pump was fine, there's nothing wrong with the oil pump. Only issue we have is with this being worn out because they're just in there, just spinning freely. This from VW is £6.90. So I've ordered it in for tomorrow. I'll change this. I won't change the pump. I'll just change this drive key and see how it goes. And hopefully, this repair should cost me only around £7 for the drive key, and then probably another 20 quid, £25 for the oil and oil filter, and then we'll see how it goes. Thank you.